Virtual barriers, also known as e-walls or e-fencing, is a safety feature that limits the operating envelope of the machine. This allows us to prevent the machine from operating outside of a predefined area. To do this, the excavator required some additional sensors. Specifically, we needed to know linkage positions. There are a couple ways to accomplish this. You can do this with linear sensors inside the cylinders, you can do this with inclination sensors on the linkage components, or you can do that with angle sensors on the linkage pins. In this case, we installed angle sensors on every single joint in the linkage so that we know where the linkage is in space at all times. Once we know that, we can limit where the machine operates. As an example, you can control how deep the machine digs if there's a utility below. Or if you're working next to a building, you can ensure that the bucket doesn't touch the building, causing damage to the building or your machine. It becomes a safety feature and limits operator errors. There are many different ways to set this up. We have ours set up so that you can set the safe working envelope on the fly. You place the teeth of the bucket at its maximum desired height or extension and press the appropriate button on the touchscreen. Because this machine is just a demonstrator, we used all external angle sensors. This isn't always practical for every situation. For the real world, the bucket sensor is in a position that could be easily damaged, so you'd want to place it in a position that's well protected. This can be done with a linear sensor inside the cylinder itself, or with an angle sensor that mounts inside the linkage pin. Hydac provides both of these options, either of which results in a very well protected sensor in virtually any environment. Check out the full breadth of Hydac products at hydac-na.com.